Hey guys, it is the favorite day of the week. I'm going to show you a brand new product here at Savory Butcher. Everybody's been asking for it, ribeyes. Now you can obviously get steaks in our mixed chop box, the Savory Butcher chop box, but now you can get ribeyes and a whole box of just your own. These are 10-pound boxes. This one here is about 10.5 pounds, but look at these beauties. That is marbling lip on, so you've got that little bit of extra fat right there that everybody likes. But look at this, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 ribeyes in a 10-pound box. These are 12-ounce ribeyes. Look at the link down below. You're gonna be able to click it, order these right away. These are the exact same ribeyes that you find in the Savory Butcher chop box that everybody loves. But now, if you're just a ribeye person, you can get just the ribeyes. These things are amazing. Make sure you click down below. We'll provide you a couple links where you can order these right away from Savory Butcher. And we'll see you next time here on Earl's Kitchen. Enjoy.